Good day. So today I will be going to demonstrate the proper procedure for assisting in the preparations of patient for endoscopy. So what is endoscopy? So this procedure include verifying the patient wellness, administering prescribed medications, positioning the patients correctly, monitoring vital signs, and providing pre and post-procedure care to ensure the patients and comfort through the procedure. So assisting in the preparations for endoscopy. Okay, so I will be ask the patient his name or her name. So hi sir, I am your nurse for today. Okay, so may I know your name please? So let's assume I asked already the patient her his or her name and age. So let's assume I have the doctor's order here. So the patients need to do endoscopy, okay? So the patient scheduled for an upper GI endoscopy due to persistent abdominal pain. So first I will be verifying the NPO status. So good morning, sir. I am sharing na J's Nain. Um, today I am the one who assisting for your endoscopy, okay? May I confirm, have you eat or drink anything within 8 hours? Okay, so let's assume the patient has already replied for us. Okay, so next we'll be preparing the atropine to reduce the secretions, glucagon to relax and smooth the muscles. So I need to ensure this are ready if needed per a physician's order. So after that one, I will be assist the patients and ask the patients to lay down. So please lay down on your left side and ensure proper alignment and place. And also, I will place the towel for a pad for a saliva drainage. So let's assume I already did my hand hygiene and put my gloves on. Okay. So I will assist the patient. Okay. For the I will assist the patient and help the patient to lay down on the left side and to ensure a proper alignment and place the towel or pad for a saliva drainage. So, next, I will attach the pulse oximeter and check the baseline vital sign. So, sir, I will put the oximeter here for her and I will check your vital sign, okay? I will monitor the oxygen level and the vital sign throughout the procedure, and I will ensure emergency equipment like oxygen suctions is if it's available. So, after that one, I will explain the procedure. Usually takes about 10 to 20 minutes, okay? Next, I will remind the patient, okay? So, sir, you need to stay on your left side during the procedure. And after that, I will assist the physicians, okay? Okay, sir, open your mouth while spray your throat to numb it. Ensure the patient about the temporary numbness. Will put or I will insert the plastic mouth guard. Hi, sir. I will put the plastic mouth guard. This will protect your teeth and the scope. Okay? After that, after the procedure, I will monitor the patient. So, you will rest here until the sedations wear off. Usually less than an hour. And after that, I will continue monitoring the vital signs and consciousness. After all the procedure, I will provide the discharge instructions. So, sir, do not drive or return to the work today, okay? Have someone accompany you home. To ensure understanding and document instructions is given. Then after that I will do my hand hygiene and complete documentation, and that's end of my demonstration.